Where are you coming from?
Papa, why are you so angry? The cashier was here earlier, so I went to see him off.
Yes. I know it has to be a boy. Why do you always like to be with men? Eh? Quench that fire on your waist. Quench it.
Papa, what's the meaning of all this now? What's wrong in me seeing Kashi off?
Why would you see him off? Are you a dog? Eh? That boy is good. I have been mentoring him for long. Please do not spoil him for me. Do not spoil him. Oh, your daughter. Eh? They have to stop taking herself to men. If she makes any other mistake in this house, I will personally butcher her like Nama. You know what I can do?
Nah, take it easy. Take it easy. There will be no other mistake.
Just go out.
Nah,
Just go out.
Soma, you keep anything from my house? Now, nine be say no be you now. No worry. So, who keep this one?
Person we no go school na pokwancha nanya. Imanonye na galo school na pokwe wananya no. Maka no welano. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na naive nikeo. Joy, person we no go school na pokwancha nanya. Joy, onye na galo school na pokwe wananya. Joy, maka no welano. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na naive nikeno.
But we want to ask you one simple question.
I hope it's not going to be one of your useless questions.
No, this one is useful. It's a very useful question.
Okay. Okay. Shoot.
Papa. Chima and myself, we have been thinking lately. And we have decided to ask you if you are happy the way we loiter around this village. The way we hang around. In the morning, we just go out and be hanging around. Are you happy with it? Just answer us yes or no.
You see, when you said you were going to ask me a question, I knew it was going to be one of your empty questions. Yes, because your lives have been nothing but empty. All this while. Empty lives.
Papa, thank God you noticed. Thank God that you noticed that our lives have been empty. That's why we are here. You see that empty life? Fill it up.
Okay.
But because we are tired of being empty, Papa.
This thing a trap. If I tell somebody about the money, is they dangerous? Eh? What I go do now? If I take them to police, they go say make they share them. Eh? If I come out for the year, they go share them. God, let this money no put me for trouble. Oh. Please, make it no put me for trouble. What I go do?
Excuse me. Listen. If you are asking me to give you more money, yeah, it's not possible though, because there's no money.
Papa, everybody knows that you don't have money. Your poverty is speaking volumes. Papa, we are not here for your money. We are here for the portions of lands. We all know that the ones you have been selling belongs to your brother. Papa, we know that you have not even touched your own lands. So I be a keta. I this virgin know your lands. I let Piaya. That's why we are here.
The gods forbid.
Yes,
Hey! May the gods forbid. Gods of our land forbid thee. Wait. Sell my own land? Yeah! It's not possible. Listen, I have given you boys more than 25 million naira. 25 million naira. All proceeds from my brother's lands. And what did you do with the money? You go to the city, squander the money on the wastes of Umashawu. Yes. You squander the money, you and your prostitutes. At the end of the day, you come back to demand for more money. Listen, if you are asking me to sell my own lands, and give you the money, yeah, that is not possible. It's not going to happen.
So, Papa, what you're saying now is that you're happy the way we run around this village now. You're happy the way we hang around this village doing nothing. You're happy about it now.
The village
that
is
what
so big now. The village is big and wide enough to contain anybody. You can loiter around. Mama Kechi's joint is there. Mama Chukwu's joint is the other side. You eat your baby soup and the other side, the other young man just opened the...
What are you even saying? The 25 million you're talking about you gave us, we went to the city and invested the money in a business and it went down somehow. Besides, it's not even your money. It's the money you got from the lands and properties of your brother. You've not given us anything from you as our father to son, you know. You've not given us anything.
Hold on. I understand what you're saying. You take the money, went into the city and invested the money. Yes,
a very good business.
Good. Very, very good business.
Somehow.
I know. What is that good business? You invested the money in the business of the waste of Umashawu. Prostitutes. You invested the money in the waste of prostitutes. Umashawu. That is where you invest. And let me tell you something. Nothing, no money, there's no investment you put in the waste of prostitutes that can yield any returns. It is not possible. Absolutely impossible. That is what...
Experience. He's talking from experience.
Yes, now.
So you are an authority when it comes to investing on Umashawu. You are selling those lands.
Let me tell you something.
Papa,
You can never ever sell any of my land. It's not possible.
You think we don't know that when you went to the city, you also spent your brother's money. You are aware. When you go to abroad, all those times you were eating your brother's money, selling his companies. What did you do with the money? You that even went to abroad. We only went to the city. You went to abroad with your brother's money. What did you come back with, Papa? It's only 25 million. You're here saying you. 25 million. Like
You can never sell any of my land.
Papa, you're talking about our own
Better
25
think
million.
again. If you think I'm going to sell my own lands, my own portion of lands, I'll give you the money. Yeah. Think again, because it's not going to happen.
Da! Papa!
It's not going to happen.
Papa! Hey! Look at him, my man!
Come. If na drink, make you go. I no get any drink for here.
Which kind of nonsense talk that one?
I don't tell you, I no get drink at all. You will just go.
Which kind of rubbish talk that one? See, guy, I bring better news. Come here, come give you one heavy, big news. I don't know if you go like am or you no go like am.
Wetin be the good news? Make it talk and cause me I dey comot now. I didn't say good as you come. You get any anything where you bring for here? Make I keep for you.
Wetin be that? Wetin be that?
Now me say no be you now. So talk. Wetin be the news where you carry come?
Check am out.
Wetin be this?
Carry am now, hold am make you see. You go see the name where they write there. My oga daughter. She don't go. Confirm, check the date, everything done there. You are invited though. Check am now, open am, you go see am. See as the invitation fresh. Chara. They don't put date yo. And you are invited. You won't begin cry? Guy, just wash your best clothes to that day they come. I beg. Rice, stew, everything plenty. No go day house, so come or make you enjoy yourself.
My man, finally, you now have her to yourself.
Oh yes, we did it, my bro.
One me.
Thank you so much.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Well, I really appreciate you. You really tried for me. God bless you, bro.
Come on, man, it's nothing. I know you would do better if I was the one getting married.
I'll be taking her to Paris for 1 month honeymoon.
Wow, that is huge. Anyway, don't forget to buy my things while coming back.
I won't forget. I'll get it, don't worry.
Prayer,
What do you get for you? So what do I offer you?
You know me now, anything
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Joy, person when no go school, na fokwan chananyalo. Joy, onye na galo school, na fokwe wananyao. Joy, makano well no, such a person you no get him out. I, the madonna naive nikeno. It is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty prosiliterate yo. While a day, mana o mebu mo benye takwana efine welodo. Neno wanana chia na chulo yijio. Oh, I person we no go school na pokwancha na nyao.
I knew you wanted some firewood, so I got you some.
Thank you.
Is that enough to help you forget about Flora?
I know, and sure, me I go fit to forget about her.
You can. If I was able to move on, you too can. It's just for you to believe within yourself that you can. For weeks now, you've not gone to work. That's a sign of a weak man.
I know weak, yo.
It doesn't show strength either. You're telling them that they have taken away your life.
No, body take away my life, oh.
Just my feelings. They down. I don't know if to go front or to go back. I just powerless.
Dekachi, the way to handle emotional pain is to work hard. Okay, let's take me as an example. When I was pregnant, I knew my parents wasn't going to pay my school fees again. I shut myself out of this world. I started a job even with the pregnancy. I worked harder just to see myself through school. When I gave birth to my child, I still kept working so that I can take care of him. So you can do better. After all this, the rest is history.
See that land wey Papa dey hold with him 2 hands. That land belongs to us.
That's true. Me, I'm aware of that. Papa is just being unnecessarily wicked. Possessing our possessions for no just reason. What sort of a man is he?
See, Papa must give us what belongs to us. If he no one do and jejely, we will take it by force. Official about violence. Yeah, violence.
Chima, I understand what you're saying, but the part that I don't understand is we will take it by.
We now.
See, let me tell you something. The way I'm seeing Papa loves his properties more than he values our lives. Papa will just bring out his then gun and shoot anybody that tampers with any of his properties. So let's just don't include me in any of we tamper with any Papa.
But sometimes I go the reason you be man. Man not go do anything now. What be your own now? Grow some balls, man.
Yeah, I have balls already. I can't grow another one. See, Papa, his then gun is still working.
Papa no get money to buy bullet, forget that thing. That gun a decoration for him.
I know what I'm saying. Please don't include me in any plan that you have to touch any of Papa's lands. But in case you succeed,
no,
you will not leave me back.
You go build your house for air.
You should be very careful about anything concerning Papa's land.
Get out.
She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an
What are you doing with her bag?
Whose bag is this? Don't make me believe the impossible. Whose bag is this? Flora, answer me before I go mad. Whose bag is this?
It's mine.
I understand. The bag belongs to you. I'm talking about the content. The content inside the bag. Hard drugs inside the bag. How come about it? Who owns it? Who owns the drugs? Flora. Okay, please. Tell me the truth. What are you doing with so much drugs? Okay. Do you do drugs?
Yes.
She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart. But she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem.
What happened? What is the problem?
I knew it.
You knew what?
I knew that there was something not normal about that girl.
What girl?
Flora and her husband cancelled their trip to Paris.
Why?
Let me ask you a question. Are you aware that Flora does drugs?
What? Drugs? Flora? Hey! No. No, honey, don't say that, please. You know it is not possible.
If I didn't see it with my two eyes, I would have said it's not possible. God, someone should wake me up from this nightmare.
Can you just stop sounding as if you've not seen a girl do drugs? Brian, come off it. You are more exposed than this.
Hold on. So you don't see anything wrong with it? That my wife is doing drugs? God, I'm dead. Okay. Since you don't see anything wrong with it, why didn't you tell me about this? Why didn't you do it in my presence? You knew I would not like it, yet you cowed and deceived me into getting married to you.
No, I didn't do that. That wasn't what I did. Brian, where are you going? Can you calm down? Let us settle this amicably.
What do you want us to settle? How do we settle this?
Listen, this drug thing is not bad though. It's not as terrible as you think. I want you to see reasons with me.
Well, hey, wait. How do we settle this? Go straight to the point. I don't have time for all this nonsense. How do we settle this? Will you stop it?
Hey, no. You know that's not possible.
The worst part of it is that she said she can't stop it.
It is not easy to stop taking drugs, especially when one is already addicted to it. It's not easy at all.
Kevin, how did we get here?
I just can't explain. Can't explain, no.
Hey. I don't smoke common cigarette. You were the one that made me to be taking little alcohol, and you know it, right?
I know it. I know.
Now I ended up with a drunk, not just a drunk, a drug addict. I don't know, I'm confused. And he said I should keep quiet, he said I should manage it. How come? I asked again, Kelvin, how did we get here?
No. It's not we that get here. It is you who found her and say you want to marry her, not me. So you should be asking yourself that question. How did I get here? Not we.
They're so big.
God, he bless me, Nyafu. I catch big fish. And you be blessing you. Since you come, I catch fish. I turn my net, fish enter. I turn on the other side, the fish, plenty fishes enter.
Bekashi, I think I have a business idea. I need to talk to you about it.
No, give me. Make we sit down and talk. Because me, I want to wait and go bring the money. Business, we go bring the money. Tell me.
Bekashi, when I was in Enugu, I discovered a lot of people like fish. When I moved to Ozugbo, it was as if the whole of Anambra State is the headquarters of fish consumers. They like fish a lot that they can travel far and wide just to get fish. So I'm thinking, if you can do this fish farming in a very large scale.
You know, saying this our business na luck, na luck. Sometimes he go stream, he throw net, he catch crayfish. Sometimes he throw, he catch so that's why me I concussion farm produce and fish.
Okay.
So I get, if I no get money from fish, I get money from farm produce.
Oh. It's okay, Kashi. Why not I take you to someone that will train you on how to do this fish farming thing very well, since you already have a good idea on how to do fishing. That way, in no time, you will become a successful fish farmer.
That one good, but you know, I no go there, no money.
You know, to train you on it is not going to cost much. The only problem we're going to have here now is, after the training, how to start it up. But just learn it first. That is the most important thing.
Flora, you mean you've been doing drugs all this while? Right under my nose. And I didn't catch a whiff of it?
Daddy, this is not why we are here.
Oh. So what I'm saying now is not important, right? Okay, tell me. Why are you here?
Daddy, my husband is so mad at me. I want you to please help me tell him that I haven't been a bad girl. I have been working in your company and you can attest to my efficiency. I've been a good girl, even here at home. You and Mom can attest to that too.
I don't seem to get you. Now, what are you trying to drive at?
Daddy, I want you to let him know that I can be a good wife despite doing drugs.
Shut up your mouth. Your word stinks. The only crime we've committed was sending you abroad to further your education. And what did you come back with? A bag full of hard drugs.
Mom, you say that to me? Oh my God. You shatter me. I went abroad and studied so hard. I came back with good grades. In 1 month I have been working in that company. The company has recorded more sales than it has ever done in the past years. After all my efforts, this is what I get? Heartbreaking words from you, Mom? Dad, I am so disappointed.
Hey. Father, do you see that?
Hey.
See what?
What do you suggest I do? Huh?
Anyway, young man, take your wife and go home. While my wife and I try to figure out what to do under the circumstance.
Is that all you have to say, sir? I should take her home? Hey, what do I tell my mother? Huh? Kanga call on Mama.
You want me to tell you? Go home. Travel down to the village to see your mom. Tell her that you were infatuated with the woman to the extent that you rushed into marrying her without carrying out due diligence.
Excuse me, sir.
You are excused.
Everything done ready. I don't sabi everything where the man he teach me. Now I don't sabi how they dig pond.
Okay.
A pond.
Okay.
I don't sabi how to put water inside. In tell me we are go feed and buy those small
fish. Okay.
Fish. He say na finger things. Fingerings. We are go buy them. So I don't sabi am. Even the food where they go they eat every day they go they grow. And in saying in 2 months, 3 months, the fish don't big, you sell it, you do turnover. Give them, you show me the food self. You tell me how much they sell it.
Oh, okay. So what's left now?
The money I use start. Cause he say I go dig pond. I do pipe, put water inside. Then I buy fingerings. Then I buy food. So now money to I use I start.
So how much are you looking at?
Talk 300, 400,000.
Wow, that's huge.
Oh, whoosh. That's whoosh.
How do you intend to raise such amount of money?
I don't know. I think nothing come ahead. So me, I say I know steal now. I go start the one I do before. I could save. Or God send me person support. That be a prayer now. If somebody come support, I start because me I don't want day like this at all. I go do something now.
Because everything is not all about prayers. It's not prayer. No. Sometimes you need to take a bold step. Look for a way to raise the money. You can borrow from somewhere.
Somewhere borrow from Anyafoka. Anyafoka and they charge
You mean do marriage?
Do marriage. It times 3 months. If the money is too much now. I know borrow.
You see, even if you take a loan from the bank, you're still going to pay all that, including tax. So you just need to think of something. This business is going to help you. You're going to benefit a lot from this business. I can see it. So just don't sit here and say prayers. Yes, when we get the money, we'll now pray for God to help us perfect it.
I no go thief, man. I no go thief. I get in people are surprised now. Money, but and I hear what you talk. No.
1 million naira. It's now 5 months since I see this money for this house. Nobody come say na me keep am or you see money. How long you go remain here? Should I wait? Make I wait. See if person will get the money go come one day. Eh? Oh, it's better. Make I borrow am myself, use am put for business. Maybe by owner go remember say I keep money. That time I go don't save enough money from am. Now what I go do? But if you go put am for business now, the person go now come tomorrow say, na me keep the money. What's in it?
Stop. Babe, stop. You irritate me. Yes. Can't you perceive the smell that comes out from your mouth? Stupid marijuana odor and other godforsaken useless smells. I am tired of it. Please. Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Brian, you look me in the eye and say that I irritate you? That I stink? Oh, so I am no longer good enough for you?
Well, all I will tell you is to stop doing drugs. Flora, stop doing drugs.
So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is guy, something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that
Wait! Papa, why you dey shiver now? Go dey catch you. Listen, as it stands now, this is the end of the road for you.
Please, don't end my road for me. It's just beginning.
You have only one lifeline. And we are not here for games.
Hey, please, what is it? What do you want?
Make I sing this song for you. Sign this paper or you die.
Wait, please, don't shoot me. Don't, please.
There's fire in there. You don't want to sign now. Sign this paper, come on here.
But where will I sign? Hey!
I'll shoot this man leg now.
Please, okay.
But why your hand is shake now? Go dey catch you.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Eh? Hey! 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 Who are you? Who are you and what are you doing on my land? Who are you?
Sorry, sir. I bought this land last week. I paid for it. So
Which land? My land belongs to you. You pay for which land? To who?
Sir, to your children.
My children?
Yes, sir.
You know my children?
Yes, we used to be schoolmates.
Schoolmates?
Yes, sir.
And you pay them for this land?
Sir, your signature are on the document.
My signature?
Yes, sir.
On the documents?
Yes, sir.
Hey! Hey! These children have killed me. These children have killed me. They have killed me! Eh? I signed 4 different documents. Hey! My 4 plots of land. My 4 plots of land. Hey! Where are they? These children. Hey! I'm dead. I am dead and finished. Hey! Come, you. Hey! Hey, wait. Hey! Go! Hey!
all this place. So your money will plenty. No, I go vote.
Hey! 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 Who are you? What are you doing on my land? Eh? Can't you see the plots I've wanted? I want to build a big hotel here. What are you doing on my land?
Now, your son came to me this morning telling that you're very sick, that we need to take you to the hospital now.
It is your father that is very sick and needs to be taken to the hospital. What are you talking about? Eh? Me? Do I look sick to you? Do I look like someone who is ill?
They came to me now, they said that you are dying, that I should help them to buy this land. So I bought the land now.
Hey, wait. I hope you have not paid them.
They came to me this morning that the matter is very urgent, that they need this money. So I have to pay them the money. I give them 2 million naira this morning.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Yeah. Don't die in my land, though. Hey! Don't die this land.
Hey!
Hey!
Call me a master plan. Call me a master plan.
Say, man, the master plan.
Overnight. We are millionaires.
Ha! Hey, see, like this now, we just start spending money like criminals.
I will know.
We start spending money like criminals.
We go spend this town blue, red, green. Nah, man, no Boda. We will not spend this money in this village. Now, this village is too small for this money. I go about the Oko. Let's go to the city. I did the city. City we go. One day, city we go. Call me a master planner.
Master planner.
I have to give
you. You know 10% I can pay you like this. Our own 10%.
It's 10% in my day. It's no there when there's some run. I am go there when there's some. We move.
I get another one for you.
Hi! What? That was thoughtful of you. Eh? But we are not friends. You heard all these things from me since that time.
Not talking like that now. If you know friends, I no go carry you come for here now.
Yeah.
I go do one.
So what in my share? What's my share?
Nobody, I get you for mine.
Yeah.
They there now.
So what?
You see this one.
Okay.
Next month, I go sell up.
This one now.
This one. I go give you 100 fish.
100 fishes? For me?
100 fish. The big ones, so.
Okay.
Big ones we go they lay egg.
Yeah.
I go give you food. Food you go to give them.
Hi! 100 fishes.
Now I go give you pound for that place.
One pound for them.
I go tell you. Make you don't come my side you. I make you no chop. You know say you like fish.
Takwa.
You like fish.
Takwa, I'm telling you.
No, in this business, you know, you go cut your long throat.
Yeah.
You go to give them food. They change the water. Make sure say the water is very clean. You give them food. You no time to harvest.
Yeah.
Time to harvest. You know, it's sell it.
So no barbecue. I don't go chop barbecue. I don't chop everything.
Wait, I get fish for you now.
A fish?
I get dry fish.
You have fish?
You use palm wine before that.
Hi.
Yeah.
So.
This one na 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Hi. Wait, so this is the feed.
Yeah. This one, the big one, wait for that one. The food is the big. This one na small.
Okay, there are different feeds.
She can live with it. It's obvious that she can deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is care. Oh, something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. Oh, she have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Oh, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is care. Oh, something to hold on to and let go her addiction.
What is going on here? Flora, answer me, what is going on here? So you had the guts to take these drugs in my sitting room? What if I had walked in with friends? What will I tell them?
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Oh, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament?
Hey, please, hold on. I do not want you to say love. Don't say love here, bro. I will not show her any form of love. She must stop doing drugs in my house, else I will go physical with her. What is all this? For your information, I've burnt the bag containing those hard drugs. I burnt all of them. And I'll keep burning them till she leaves my house. Else, she will see.
So,
I will skin her alive.
Something just flew into my ears.
Let me call you back, please.
I overheard someone say, my bag has been set ablaze.
Yes, I burnt the bag containing those hard drugs.
What?
You heard me loud and clear.
Okay. But did you at least bring out the stuff inside before burning the bag?
Why will I do that? I burnt everything. And listen, I do not want you to do drugs again in my house. Did you hear what I said? Don't even try it. Else, I'm not influenced.
Are you aware? You just burnt my 5 million naira?
Hold on. You spent such amount on hard drugs? Oh. I'm so sorry for you. But let me warn you. I do not want to see any form of hard drugs in my house again. Did you hear what I said? Don't even try it, else I will send you out of this house.
Brian, where is my bag?
Please, I'm not ready for this now. Hey, stop. Hey! When I wanted to marry, this is not the woman I bargained at all. This is not what I bargained.
You see, I told you to take it easy with her, but you didn't listen to me. My father used to tell me that marriage is like a puzzle. After marriage, whatever thing you see, You try and manage it.
No. Stop saying that. I will not manage it. Manage what? Let me tell you something. That parcel is not mine. I will know. Man way hour. I won't try it. I will not try it. I won't manage something that I know that is not mine. That parcel is not mine. I don't know who owns it. The person should take it. I'm not interested.
That is a lie. It's your parcel.
Kevin, please be guided. Let me tell you something. That parcel is not mine. That parcel is not mine because how will I go for that kind of girl? How will I go for that kind of girl? That parcel is not mine. I won't take it.
See,
let me
at
tell
this
you
point in time,
the
only thing you need now is follow her up with wisdom and prayers.
Follow her up with wisdom. Even if I'm King Solomon, bro, I am not going to marry that girl. I can't cope with that girl. I won't conquer her. I married a mad dog.
Brian, take it easy. This is your parcel.
You are not getting me. It's not my own. Take it.
I should take your own parcel. No, that is your own parcel.
Take the parcel.
No, it's your own.
I dash you.
Take
the parcel.
It's your own parcel.
I am tired. I don't want the parcel. I am not interested.
Like serious.
I married a junkie. I married a foolish girl. Let me tell you something. I cannot cope with her. If you know the owner of that parcel, please, with all due respect, go and take the parcel and deliver it to the person. I don't want. They can take it. I don't want at all. Let's go out because I'm boiling now and I don't want her in my house. Hey, you need to see her. That girl is a mad dog. Hey. I'm done because
I can go and take your woman.
Now let's go out. Enter your car. I see that you don't have any atom of shame in you. Keep on producing babies out of wedlock. And you, Dekachi, if this is the way you will pay me back for all I have done for you, it's all right. It's okay. Okoma and Ambem.
At least he take us as a so Mama.
Hey, my father will kill me. What?
No talk like that. He no kill you. Nobody kill you.
What am I going to do now?
He talk.